The City of Tucson is continuing to see a record number of 911 calls, but a new resource could help first responders and local hospitals.
13 News reporter John Macaluso has talked to the city and Tucson Fire Department about their new partnership and how it will help when those calls come in.
The Tucson Fire Department is implementing telehealth in its 911 system. What that means is the next time you call with an injury or an illness, you may be connected directly with a doctor. Tucson Fire says they saw more than 103,000 911 calls last year, which is 30,000 more than 20 years ago.
That's a 48% increase over the last 20 years. But the hospitals have not grown across the city of Tucson by 48%. The fire department has not grown by 48%. Our communications center has not grown by 48%.
86% of those 103,000 calls were medical, and in many cases, callers didn't need a team of firefighters or paramedics to respond.
With this new resource, we're able to transfer appropriate patients who don't need all those providers to a telehealth resource with MD Ally to really optimize that care, get the right patient to the right care.
So how does it work? Well, when someone calls 911, dispatchers ask a specific set of questions which allows them to decide where to route your call. More severe calls get response from Tucson Fire, but those less severe calls will be asked if they want to talk to a doctor via telehealth. If they say yes, they'll be linked up with a doctor licensed right here in the state of Arizona who will help. And if that doctor decides first responders are still needed,
so the call comes back, that call taker evaluates what is in that call, recodes it, puts it into our computer-aided dispatch system, and sends it to Tucson Fire.
In addition to helping Tucsonans get the right care they need, it will also be cheaper and may even save you a trip to the hospital. The price of an ambulance ride, which is determined by the state, is about $1,400. Now, it's important to keep in mind that you should not be calling 911 to schedule a telehealth appointment. To do that, you should be going through your own doctor. And again, this telehealth option is only available within the Tucson Fire Department's jurisdiction. We'll have a map to that on KOLD.com. Reporting here in Tucson, John Macaluso, 13 News.